So I want to give you an in-depth view today on this bike torque wrench and all the things it comes with. So it comes with the wrench here. Pop it out and show you how this works. So it goes from 2 all the way to 18.5, it looks like. So in order to adjust it, all you do is pop this down, you turn it to where you want, you pop this back up and it locks into place. And you have all these adjustments if you want to fine tune it, which is really handy as well. Here is the quick release button, which just releases the tool from the end. So if I want to clip one on, I just do that, pops right on, and then I could just do that and it clips it right off. You could go forward or back if you're tightening or loosening, which is really handy as well. And what I love about this set is that everything has a place, so it's really easy to keep it organized. You have an extension piece here, and then you have some screwdriver bits, you have some star or torque bits, and then you have some like Allen bits as well. And so you have a lot of different choices depending on what you need to adjust on your bike. So if you're looking for a really great bike tool set like this, I highly suggest you check this out.